It's a lie. I already know I like this, and fuck the sauce. I do not like the sauce, so I'm throwing it away. Have it? Noodles, ramen. Let's taste it. Whew, it's hot. 7 out of 10. Reminds me of high school. Cheers, loves.